So this is something that I find really interesting, and when you're struggling to find any motivation to do something, then what you should do is just try to get into it and try to make some progress on whatever you're working on. And once you make some progress, what it is going to do, it is going to give you some motivation to do more work, and then you can use that motivation to get more work done, and then that will give you some more motivation, and this just goes on like this. So basically what happens is, before you start you have zero motivation, but after you start progressing, that keeps giving you more and more motivation to keep going, because the previous progress fuels the upcoming progress, and that's how it works. So basically motivation is something that compounds as you keep doing, but if you keep thinking, it doesn't go anywhere, it will stay at the level it is. But if you want to get started with your motivation, you have to get started working on something, and once you get started working on something, your motivation will increase as you proceed in working towards that. So know that when you're working on something, the motivation will go up as you proceed in working towards it, and it will not proceed while sitting on your seat thinking about it. So get doing.